What's up, Dame Gang? This your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss me? I hope so. I miss you guys so much. Today I am back and I have some famous Dave's rib tips, ribs and chicken. I got some mashed potatoes and some greens, and I got some of their sweeter barbecue sauce back here. I am starving. Happy Sunday. What are you guys eating today? Let's eat. I'm so hungry. Oh, let's do a thumbnail. Okay, let's do a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail on the ribs. I hope y'all can see everything good. What are y'all eating with me today? Mm-hmm. mm. Famous Dave's got some good ribs, y'all. What's that? Oh, if y'all watching this, my vlog just went out today at 3 o'clock. I'm filming right now at 3. A vlog went out. So, if you want to, head over to my vlog channel, Life with Dame Dash, and watch a vlog. Okay? It's the Bike Charlotte party in Las Vegas. We was lit. We was turning up. Whole lot of fun. Mm. Mm. Do y'all like ribs? I love ribs. Mm-hmm. But the thing is, I don't want no baked ribs. I don't want no ribs. You know, people be boiling and baking. I want mine smoked or grilled. Mm-hmm. Mm. I got some greens right here. Now these ain't your traditional greens now. But, you know, they'll do. I'm so tired of this weather, y'all. It was snowing yesterday. It is sick. But it was cold. Use the fork. But it was cold here in Detroit, in Michigan. Hmm. Hey, greens is not bad, honestly. They're not bad. Low key, sometimes they be fire. They better than some of these soul food places. Ain't got no flavor. They greens got flavor. Mm-hmm. Fire. Yeah, I was gonna do Chipotle today, but I changed my mind. Okay, I'm still doing it, but just not today. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow, or or the next day. These wings are so good. When I did clean the bone, Tam's table, last year sometime, these are the wings I used. Mm-hmm. So excited to eat. Okay, so what do y'all want to see me eat next? Between not Cadoba. Between Chipotle, Jersey Mike's. Because in Vegas, y'all, for the first time, I had a dang steak and cheese, or I don't know if they call it a Philly steak, but from Jersey Mike's, ooh, mm, it was so good. I want to have that again for y'all. That between those two, which one? Which one next? Comment below. Just between those two, y'all. I will have more options. I know I'm gonna have some seafood coming because I want some seafood so bad. I haven't had no seafood in so long. I want to get back into eating seafood a lot because it's expensive, but quiet as it's kept, it helps you keep your weight down. Especially if you don't do the sides, you just do the seafood. Mm. But I've been trying to balance it out. I haven't been posting over here so much, but I'm gonna get back to it. There's just been a lot going on. I'm gonna talk about it. Probably, yeah, the end of this week, probably. Because it's finally resolved. Now I can talk about it. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. If y'all like ribs, honestly, let me know where you go. Cause I know, I think I had Dickies before. Uh-uh. No, I messed something up. I had Dickies barbecue before. I don't think I really liked it. I had a few barbecue places, but Famous Dave's low key. It kind of slap. Mm. It kind of slap. Mm. Uh-oh, what's that? Mm. Got my water bottle here. I got it from Amazon. I think it's in my Amazon storefront. But the thing is my Amazon storefront over here? Or is it on my vlog channel? I don't know, but I'll try to put this in the link. In the description box, the link, if you want to order it. It is a glass bottle. Whew. 32 ounce. Jesus. I needed that. Ooh. Shoot. Mm. Look at this. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Is it 2 pounds? Yeah. Mm. It's so good. Now, I know Texas got some good barbecue. I don't even know where Famous J's originated from. Oh, Memphis do too. I want to go. I don't know. Do you think I should do like food reviews, like food tours? Go travel when I travel, do like reviews on restaurants in certain states on this channel because mukbangs, y'all see, a lot of people are just not doing it no more. It's just not. It's not. I don't know. A lot of people not watching them anymore. Like, what do we do? Do I keep, doing mukbangs or should I switch it up? Like, let me know. Because I'm doing it for y'all. I don't want to do nothing too drastic. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of y'all still watch and like my mukbangs and still come and check on your boy over here. And I would never abandon my channel. At one point, I thought about like changing this into my vlog channel and just doing all my vlogs over here. But I would literally have to start from scratch with the people because when I tried to put a vlog over here, they're horrible. They're horrible each time because I posted a few. Even my Bali one, and I don't even have it. Like I didn't save it to re-upload it on my other channel. But I went to Bali, Indonesia, vlogged it and everything, and I only had one channel at the time, and I put it over here. Nobody even watched it. That's why when I had separated and I said I'm gonna put a part 2, I ended up scrapping the footage because I was just so defeated back then. I was so defeated. I didn't even put it out. And I got rid of it. Like the footage, I discarded it. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, I don't know. I just be thinking about like about the wave of it. It's just like, like I see. I'm honest with myself. The views ain't viewing, hitting like they used to. It just ain't the same. But on the other hand, the vlogging, yeah, I love vlogging. I'm not sitting right here. I'm moving around. Y'all moving with me. We shooting moves. We doing whatever we gotta do. Sometimes we ain't doing nothing. Just talking. But I also always be thinking about like this is my first channel. My baby. What can I do to bring the spark back? Go to restaurants, do food reviews, travel, different cities. Probably take some of you guys' suggestions and y'all meet me at the place. You know what I mean? Something like that. And eat. I don't know. Just move from behind the table, like behind the black, and get out and do something different. I'm just trying to think of different ways. Or should I do like vlog style mukbangs? Like I literally got up. I vlogged me getting ready to go on my vlog channel. I told them the whole little process, what I was about to do, what I was eating. But that's for the vlog. So a vlog mukbang would have been me from the start. Just, what's up, Dame? It's your boy Dame Dash. Welcome back to the video. Me getting in the car, me driving to the restaurant, me looking at the menu, showing y'all the menu, doing whatever, talking to the people. If I'm going in the kitchen and talking to them because they know I'm coming type of thing. Order the food, come back, eat it. Or eat it there, whatever. I don't know. Am I giving other people my ideas? I'm gonna look up and somebody else gonna be using it and doing it. Probably not, because who ain't already thought of that? Who ain't already doing that? You know what I'm saying? Incorporate more cooking. Hell, turn this channel into a cooking channel. I don't know. What I do know is I've been thinking about a lot of stuff. I'm grateful. Mm. I'm mad because I should have got all ribs, no rib tips. Because I forget how they try to play in your face with these rib tips. Like, why are these so damn big? And these ain't tender. These ain't the same pieces of meat that's attached to this rib that I just ate. And if it is, what the hell? Why is it so big? Well, they are tender. Excuse me. That was tender. But why they're so big and the other one's so petite? That ain't adding up. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, is that pickle? I guess that look right. Pickle? Okay. No. I'm gonna play the song on my laptop. Gonna get me copyright. I apologize. These are good. Mm. Oh my god, these the hot and spicy pickles Famous Days got. They're so good. Mm-hmm. As I got older, or as I'm getting older, I really enjoy pickles more. I don't think I really liked pickles back in the day. I mean, I eat them on like a sandwich or something, but now I would like get a pickle, like jars of pickles, real big pickles, and just eat a pickle with nothing, you know? I ain't never used to do that. Yeah, I've been liking pickles lately. Okay. I'm kind of full. That's why I'm just picking at this stuff. Well, where that big tender one that I was just nibbling on though? Well, it's okay. All right. I gotta go. I don't want to leave, but I gotta go right now. I'll be back. But leave me some comments down below in the comment section about the few things that we just, was talking about. Just help me out. Help me pick, the meal for the next video. I'm doing them both. Either way. But which one first? Okay? And if you have any suggestions on where to spice up the channel a little bit more, to do something different. I know mukbangs are fine. I know you guys enjoy the mukbangs when it's me and Mylan or me and Ari or me and someone else as well, because it's more conversation, it's more discussions and stuff like that, because I pretty much be quiet and just eat most of the times unless I have something to discuss or talk about. But I don't know. I've been doing it for so long, y'all. And it's all about, oh man, hold on. Hello? Mm-hmm. That was Marlon. He out picking up a gift for Ryder. His birthday party is today, so that's where we getting ready to go to. But yeah, I don't know. just I don't know. I love y'all though, and I will always love y'all. That's never gonna change. I love y'all so much. We're gonna continue to keep doing mukbangs over here, but also know that I am vlogging. I vlog. I'm doing the month of March for right now. I'm trying to do it every day, but I've been doing it every 2 days or every other day because giving enough people time to catch up. Okay, but I have a posting schedule where it's Sunday, Wednesdays, and Fridays over there. So I'm going to get back to posting over here all the time, every day. Every day. I just need, it's not motivation, but it's just, I think I'm getting in my way. Like, I'm looking at the channels and I'm looking at other people who do it and just looking at the numbers dwindling away. My number has been dwindling away for the longest. Honestly, I used to be able to pull through a nice amount of views, but now it's even lower. It's getting lower, no matter what. So it's just like, I know what I gotta do to get it back is seafood, and then every day of being consistent and all this stuff. It's just the mindset. I think I have to get out of my own way because I've been doing it for so long that it's just like, it's a lot of work that you have to do to maintain it. You get what I mean? So I just got to step out of my own way and get to work. And that's just what it is. Instead of being lazy or looking at it and feeling defeated, you should just look at it like the way you know how. You know what you got to do. Stop being lazy and do it. And that's just what I got to do. But I don't think y'all understand because I'm kind of circling in circles. But if you understand what I'm talking about, let me know. I love y'all so much. If you made it this far, put like a pickle emoji or put spell pickle and just talk back to me in the comment section. I am going to be responding to the comments. I love y'all so much. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what we're doing over here. We're constantly winning. We're constantly growing. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I am okay. I am not in a funk or discouraged or nothing like that. I'm just venting a little. Okay? Love y'all so much. Peace. Love you. Peace.